He's an amazing MP, he's an amazing husband and father. Please vote for him on the 4th of July.
Oh, I couldn't do this job without my incredible wife, Alison. She's been a support for me ever since I was first elected in 2005. So, as she says, please support me on July the 4th.
I'm privileged and honoured to know when I was a member of the European Parliament. I worked very closely with him. He is the absolutely amazing, hard-working person that any constituency could ask for. As we are seeing now, or we see, I'm not giving you any situation. Either conservative government or never government. Sorry, can we motion please?
Good afternoon, everybody. It's my great pleasure to stand here as your Labour candidate for Gorton and Denton. I know that many of you, certainly on the Manchester side of the new constituency, with another 5 years when we lost, and in 2019 when we lost heavily. Think of how you felt on those mornings and vow to yourself, never ever again will we feel. On July the 5th, let's wake up to a new dawn. Let's wake up to a new government committed to investing in our communities, investing in our national health service.
Carry on.
Absolutely amazing MP. He has supported the communities of Manchester and Tameside throughout. I've known him for over 10 years and I think he's an absolutely amazing individual who cares about the community, who cares about the issues and cares about the international issues too. So he's an MP that will stand up for peace always.
For all those people watching at home, our message to you is, our request to you is, vote Andrew Gwynne.
Just witnessed the launch of Andrew Gwynne's election campaign to be the next MP for Denton and Gorton.
And on the 4th of July we have a choice. We have a choice between waking up to another 5 years of Conservative government or a Labour government that is actually going to rebuild our country, invest in our communities and improve the lives of our community. So on the 4th of July, vote Labour.
Tameside, it's wonderful to see Andrew Gwynne being supported by Tameside and Manchester.
Labour MP Andrew Gwynne knows how to do it.
About social justice, which is what we need, and economics, which is what we need in Manchester, Rayz of Manchester and Manchester itself. Vote Andrew Gwynne, 4th of July.
देखिए इंशाल्लाह एंट्री जरूर जीतेगा और 4 जुलाई को हम अपनी कम्युनिटी को रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि वो बाहर आएँ और लेबर पार्टी को वोट दें.
बहुत अच्छा है जी. होपफुली इंशाल्लाह, क्योंकि हम टूरिस्ट की वजह से काफ़ी कम्युनिटी का पूरा कंट्री खड़ा हो चुका था.
मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि हमें मतलब इतने सालों से हम 2010 से हम टोरी को बर्दाश्त कर रहे हैं और अब हमने रिसेंट जो इलेक्शन हुए इससे हमें ये पता चल रहा है कि हमारी इंशाल्लाह लेबर जीतेगी और तमाम कम्युनिटी के जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उनको सॉल्व करेगी.
I'd just like to say that I hope Labour wins because Conservative got voted a lot and they haven't really been making a good impact, so I think Labour should get voted because they actually want to do better.
Andrew is going to win and we need to support him and we need to practically support him.
Vote Labour on 4th of July. It's time for change.